something about Uzumba Maramba Fungwe Murewa. I am from Murewa and I've experienced it. I have been threatened with death since 2000 when MDC was formed. I was actually banned to go to my rural area. My mother was there and she actually informed me not to come to Murewa. But with the grace of God, I have been able to go there, whether they want to abduct me, but I was just lucky. They couldn't get me. But it was fearful. I was very afraid of my life that time, and they've been threatening. My boys back home were told to attend, that was in 2008. They started those, what do you call them? The groupings at night, in the evening. And they were told you are going to attend all those moraries during the night because of your boss, who is an MDC supporter, which is not right. I told them, I'm not supporting MDC. I've got reasons why I support MDC. I do support ZANU-PF in some of their policies, but if you are doing what is against my will, I won't support it. I have to support MDC because they've got the right policies, which I am looking for a better government. But, you know, with ZANU-PF, they don't listen to anyone. And I was actually involved, you know, now there's fuel shortages in Zimbabwe. I was involved in one of those incidences, standing in a queue. I actually was injured and I've got now screws in my leg due to the fuel shortages. And I was actually pushed into a ditch by some ZANU-PF youths. And because they were saying, you are part of MDC and you are causing the fuel shortages. But my dear brothers and sisters, things are not right in Zimbabwe right now, and we need to raise our voice and we need to speak louder than what we are doing now. And I think Emmerson should try and stop what they are doing, killing innocent people. People have been killed in 2008. I have witnessed some of my relatives were part and parcel of the people who were killing people, and their deaths were miserable. They died a miserable death.